Fucking hell, man, I forgot to press record. So basically I've recorded for like maybe 5 minutes, but I think I can still get the gist of it. So how do I cook my hood carbonara? Basically, in this mixture, I have 2 slices of cheddar cheese, 2 slices of American cheese, 2 small eggs. If you have quite large eggs, you only need 1. You make that into a slurry, like you toss it around, right? So it becomes this dog shit. And then you could put in some MSG. This is optional, but you also put in some Tabasco. And then black pepper. Boom. Just like that. Instead of MSG, you can use soy sauce. For this instance, I actually use both MSG and soy sauce because I'm a bastard like that. And that's that. Mix it together, you get this slurry, and then cook some bacon, mash some garlic in. Literally, that's it. That's all you need to do. You cook some bacon, and once it starts to get crispy, you go in with the garlic. So I've just gone in with the garlic here, and I've actually put a little bit of black pepper in there too. I got fresh pasta. Don't mean to flex anything, but this time I actually don't have dog shit ICA basic pasta. So, well, that's that. This is probably done soon, so you can actually take this off the heat, because we're gonna go in with the eggs right there, and you don't want the eggs to actually cook, because if you do, you're just gonna get omelette with pasta. You don't want that. Let's see, we can get a little taste test of the pasta, see if it's done. Yes, pasta is done. Also remember to thoroughly salt your pasta water. If you salt it correctly, you won't need to add more salt in the end, which is really good. Just skip a couple steps, right? So basically we just go direct. This is the hardest part of the recipe, and it's not hard. Go in with the pasta directly into the pan where you've cooked the bacon. Just like that. Stir it, toss it. Let the fat and the pasta get to know each other. Like, make sure you can see a layer of grease on top of your pasta. That's when you know that it's like combined and getting emulsified. Boom. That's enough. Boom, 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 boom. Right. Let's see if we can get a closer look. See, there's like a layer of grease on top of the pasta. That's when you know that the emulsification is gonna work. Alright, and now you pour your mixture of egg, cheddar cheese, American cheese, and whatever the fuck I got in here, right over on top. And trust me on this, I know it looks terrible, like what the fuck, you're pouring raw eggs over pasta. But the thing is, once you toss this around, the residual heat from the like cooked pasta, together with the pan that's still a bit hot, is going to make it mellow out and create a sauce that is completely safe to eat. So don't pussy out in this. Boom, just like that. And now comes the adjusting part, where you go in with some pasta water. The pasta water helps it thicken up a bit, because I don't know how the chemistry works, but basically pasta water with fat and egg equal tasty yummy sauce. So you go in with some pasta water, and then you keep tossing it like this. You can see the eggs are not cooking. Like, the eggs are not cooking. They're not becoming scrambled. They're just becoming this really thick, rich, yummy, exclusive sauce, right? Just like that. Boom, I'm doing this one-handed now, so I can't toss it like I usually do, but let's just give it a little... Boom. And you can adjust this as well. If this is not your desired consistency, you want it a bit less thick, just go in with more pasta water. That's all you need to do. Boom. And doesn't that look fucking incredible? I mean, obviously it does, because I made it, but like, come on. Hood carbonara. No parmesan needed. Boom. Let's give it a taste test. Fucking immaculate. Absolutely unreal. Such an easy recipe. Takes like no more than 15 minutes. All right, again, the slurry, 2 slices of cheddar cheese, 2 slices of American cheese, a little bit of soy sauce or MRG, 2 eggs, and then Tabasco. Optional, if you don't like heat, just skip the Tabasco entirely, or just don't use as much of it as like it. That's all you need to do. And then I didn't actually have garlic on hand today, so I used garlic butter, which works just as well. But if you have garlic, preferably just mash the garlic with the garlic press. Put it in there while the garlic is fräsing. Cooking, is that how you say it? Yeah, just cooking, I guess. While it's getting crispy. And that's it. Good carbonara. Bon appetit.